Lights, camera, action.
Thank you, babe.
Your life.
I love you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Olga is here. For those of you who haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell as well to get the latest notifications about the videos I post out there for you guys. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about the important stuff of cleaning your makeup brushes, your spatulas, your beauty sponges. This is not necessarily the most entertaining video, but it is an important video because we use makeup brushes. Brushes can harbor bacteria. Makeup can harbor bacteria, especially if you are using makeup as a professional makeup artist. I'm sure you know all about the importance of cleaning your brushes, and I'm sure you're doing it. So this is mostly targeting people like myself, you know, regular consumers who like to play with makeup and maybe don't necessarily know that it's important to clean the brushes. How often do I clean the brushes? Let me paraphrase the question. How often am I supposed to clean the brushes, like officially? Once a week. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm going to attach a little video of the process, how I was doing it today. I literally cleaned all of my makeup brushes, and there's going to be like a little video right now overlaid. So basically what I use is cleansing shampoo. It's not necessarily the most ideal liquid to clean the brushes. I'm going to attach the picture of the makeup brush cleansing solution that is actually recommended to be used for makeup brushes. So the stuff that I use, the shampoo that you would see in the frame, is something that I use. I'm not saying you have to necessarily go and get the same makeup cleaning, like brush cleaning solution. I'm not vouching for that. It's just an example. But the other thing that is very important is this guy right here. I got this at Marshall's. You can get them at Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshall's. They are cheaper there. You can buy them off of Amazon. You can get these basically anywhere. There's also gloves, but the reason I like these guys is because they have a suction caps right here, and this attaches nicely. It can be nestled nicely in your washing basin or your kitchen sink or your utility sink, wherever you happen to be cleaning your brushes. And basically what you do is you work your brush through all of the surfaces, and then you rinse your brush. Always make sure that you use lukewarm cold water, because if you use hot water, the glue that is holding the brush together is going to start coming apart, and that will produce shedding, and that will produce problems with your brush down the road. So in order to protect the longevity of the brush, you need to be cleaning with cold. I prefer cold or room temperature water. For the beauty blenders, you can get these guys right here. This is the liquid soap. This one is a solid type of soap that I got. This also comes with like a little sponge, and you can, it's not a sponge, it's more like the black thing that I showed you that has different texture on the surface, and you can rub your beauty blender, clean it that way. Also, do not forget to clean your color switches, because again, those are made out of a porous type of material, type of sponge, and they can also and will harbor bacteria. Also, make sure you disinfect your surfaces, and if you are working on multiple clients, you want to spritzer your makeup after the use on a client, I can also attach the picture of that solution as well. I don't have it because I am not a makeup artist. I use makeup for myself. I don't share it with anybody. So it's mostly targeting like individual use and individual brush disinfection type of stuff right here. In between the official cleansing of the brushes, like, okay, so you don't need to do this, what I'm showing you in the video that I have overlaid. You don't have to be doing this every single day after you use your makeup brushes. One, it's very time consuming. Two, it's gonna be a nightmare for your brushes, because imagine, especially for like natural haired brushes, shampooing them every single day is not really healthy for them neither. So what you want to be using is something like that. And this one I got at MAC. I also have other type of solutions. I'm going to attach the information where you can purchase them. But what you do is you take a paper towel, you fold it into 2 halves, and then you moisten it with this type of solution, and then you can rub your brush on it after you have done using it. So that would be your kind of like informal cleaning in between, during the week. And then you have this one big formal cleaning that you do at the end of the week or whenever, you know. Also, I have noticed that brush cleaning is not only good because, well, it's a common sense that we would be washing our brushes because, I mean, they do harbor bacteria, even if you are the only one using it and you put it into the product and on your face and all of that. But it's also, what I have noticed is that it's very therapeutic. For example, while I was washing the brushes, although boring the activity is, but it's actually really therapeutic. Like, it can really calm your nerves. I tend to be a pretty stressed out and anxious person, and so when I'm cleaning my brushes, it's sort of like, you know, settling my nerves and providing some, like, you know, anxiety relief. I can't explain it any other better way, but I think like it's really therapeutic. You're just kind of focusing on doing that simple activity, but it's actually really, really important. So that would be all for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this interesting. Hope you enjoyed the video. It is a very important video. It's more like educational video. Also, you will be able to find it in the educational group of my videos. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I post 3 videos per week, and I will see you all in my next video next week. I love you. Bye!